Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to check oil level in your Volvo XC60. First, park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Make sure the engine has reached its normal operating temperature, then turn it off. It's important to wait at least 5 minutes after shutting down the engine before proceeding. This allows the oil to drain back into the oil pan, giving you a true measurement. Your Volvo XC60 uses an electronic oil level sensor, so there's no traditional dipstick. To check the oil, start by navigating to the My Car menu on your Sensus display. From there, select the status option, which provides various vehicle details. Finally, choose oil level to see the current oil measurement displayed digitally on the screen. Once you've accessed the oil level display, you'll see a graphic or a percentage indicating your current oil status. A full bar or a reading of 100% means your oil level is optimal. If the display shows a lower level, it's time to add engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the correct type and amount of oil to use. If you need to add oil, locate the oil filler cap under the hood, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Add oil slowly, in small increments, and recheck the level on your Sensus display after each addition. Remember to wait a few minutes for the oil to settle before rechecking. It's crucial not to overfill, as too much oil can be just as harmful as too little.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.